All right, guys, so I'm back with David with Jandy, and we're going to look at the HydroCool Nicheless lights.
How you doing?
Good.
So these are our new Nicheless lights that we recently came out with. They're available in 3 different power levels. We've got a 6 watt, a 12 watt, and a 24 watt. These put out just as much light as our previous generation 9, 20, and 30 watt lights, respectively. What really makes these lights unique and different is the construction of the system. We have an aluminum body, and what we do is then we attach to the aluminum body this lens, and then we overmold over the entire thing this thermally conductive plastic that you have here. What that means is that it's electrically insulated, but it's thermally conductive. So what this really does is it gets the heat out. There's virtually no heat sink at all in this thing. We just have this little tiny guy here. It's in direct contact with the aluminum, which is actually overmolded with the thermally conductive plastic, and that really gets all the heat out of the light and into the pool.
Cool.
That means the light's going to run very efficiently, it's going to run cool, and it's going to really last a long time. In accelerated testing that we've done internally, these lights outlast every other Nicheless light in the industry, and they're really small.
Yeah, I see that.
Which makes it especially nice if you needed to get this into a really narrow wall, like you got a spa on the home side of the pool, and you want to put some lights in there shooting out into the pool. You can really, you can really fit this thing in there nicely, and the dealers seem to really appreciate that. These are available in a number of different configurations. We've got units that work with Jandy automation. We've got units that work with our competitors' automation system. They're also available in daylight white, and for those people who wanted to architecturally blend in with landscape lighting, we've got a warm white light also, or for people who live in dark sky zones where you've got dark sky ordinances where you can't create noise pollution. We've got that warm white as well, which is about 2700 Kelvin.
Nice, nice. And these are available now for anyone?
Yep. These are shipping now.
Awesome. Well, thank you for taking the time to explain that.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.